how will you do this integration math? The integration math is I equals integration sec x, first bracket start, sec x minus tan x, first bracket close, dx. Now we can do this math in this way. Equals integration sec square x minus sec x into tan x dx. Integration sec square x dx minus integration sec x tan x dx. If we do the integration of sec square x dx, then we will get tan x minus, if we do the integration of sec x into tan x, then we will get sec x. So tan x minus sec x plus c. This is answer. In this way we can do this integration math very easily. I think you have understood this math. Thank you.